Hello to all lovers of the mysterious and secretive. Today in our captivating video, we will tell you about spells that can help you accumulate money. Are you ready to learn how to attract prosperity into your life through your own energy and incantations? Then let's get started. Spell for the first coin in the piggy bank. Let's begin with a spell for the first coin in the piggy bank. Before throwing in the first bill or coin, place a small note with the following incantation in the piggy bank. Repeat after me. Money, come to me. Both large and small, new, torn, paper, and metallic. Spells for increasing financial reserves. Do you want your financial reserves to be replenished more frequently? Then before dropping them into the slot of the piggy bank, recite a spell over them. Repeat the following words 3 times. Just as a young sapling grows into a mighty tree, let my small coins grow and multiply. Spell for wealthy piggy bank. And what if I told you that spells can help you attract wealth? For this, you'll need 7 coins of the same denomination and a small sheet of paper. Write the desired amount on the sheet and place it in your homemade piggy bank. Then, drop 1 coin at a time, reciting the spell. Coins jingle, promising me profit. My income will grow not by days but by hours, granting me the fulfillment of all my dreams. Consistent piggy bank filling. You've created your piggy bank and recited the spells, but how else can you maintain the process of accumulating money? It's very simple. Every day, drop at least 1 coin of any denomination into the piggy bank. This ritual will help maintain the energy and the influx of funds. And here we have reached the end of our video on spells for piggy banks. Remember, spells are merely tools that help you align with your desired outcome. The real magic happens within you when you believe in your own abilities and attract prosperity to yourself. We hope you found interesting and useful practices in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice the spells with faith and an open heart. We wish you financial well-being and the achievement of all your goals.